In this video, I will show you how to get paid to watch videos, which is one of the easiest ways to make money online by watching ads. How to do it? We're gonna find out in this video. This is how to get paid watching ads only. Also, make sure to support our channel by hitting the like, subscribe, and the notification button. It's free and you can always change your mind later. We try to help you guys by providing different methods every day. We post one video per day, which takes a lot of effort to do, but we are happy to do it because we see a lot of success amongst our viewers. So without any further ado, let's get right into today's video. So the first step is to open your mobile phone. The second step is to click on the ads, and the final step, which is the third one, is to make money over and over again, as simple as that. So right now, let me show you the list of people from all over the world who have cashed out their earnings from this website. So you might be asking yourself, how much can you really earn by watching ads? Well, for one ad, you can earn up to $1.5, which means if you watch 10 ads, you can earn up to $15. And if you watch 20 ads, you can earn up to $30. And if you watch 50 ads, you can earn up to $75. And all you need to do is just use your mobile phone or your computer or laptop. The method which I will be teaching you today is 100% free. So you don't need to invest any money at all, and this is available worldwide. So wherever you are around the world, you can do this. So in just a moment, I will be showing you how to sign up for a free account, and I will show you the steps to follow to make this method work for yourself. But before we get to that, please leave a comment down below saying I am from and then type in your country, and that way I will know exactly where you guys are watching me from, so in the future I can make sure that every single video that I release in this channel is going to be meant for your country. So drop your country's name in the comments below, and don't forget, I will be giving away a lot of bonus tips and that can help you earn double the money compared to other people. So make sure to watch this video until the end and do not skip any part so that you will not miss out on those important tips. Now let's get back to the video. So you can click on ads like this on your phone or on your computer and make a lot of money like people who are earning a couple of dollars, even over $30 now. All you have to do is come over to scarletclicks.info so you can get paid by simply clicking on ads. So here on the top, you can see that they have paid over $2.5 million to over 1 million members all over the world. Now let's proceed to the sign up process. So just go ahead and click on this register button at the top right hand corner, and that will then take you to this page right here where you can register as a member for absolutely free. Now you just have to fill in your full name, your date of birth, your username, your password, your email address, and just confirm your email address and your password right here. After that, you can now enter your payment details where you want to receive your earnings. And as you can see, you have different payment options to choose from, such as Bitcoin, NetTeller, Skrill, RTM, Litecoin, Dash, and Faucet Pay, and so many more. After choosing your preferred payment method, you can then continue with the image verification right here. So you just have to type in the letters and the numbers which are shown here. And then finally, you have to agree to the terms of service and then just click on register. But real quick, if you guys are enjoying this video so far, which I put a lot of time and energy to actually make, I would really appreciate it if you guys tap the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell. And if we get 500 likes on this video, I will really appreciate your support, guys, and thank you so much for watching so far. So once you log into your account, this is how it will look like. You will see a photo with a lot of small boxes. So if you hover your mouse to the lower right side of this photo, which is the last box of this photo, you can see the position. So there are 20 by 28 boxes. That means there are 560 boxes here in this photo. In one box, it's equivalent to one ad. So all you have to do is just click one of these boxes and then you will earn money. In fact, here on the right side, you can see all the people who are earning money by clicking these boxes. So what you're going to do is just choose from one of these boxes right here, and that will take you to a random page. You just have to stay there for at least 30 seconds in order to get paid. And for example, I click on this box right here, and that will take me to this page. I just have to wait for 30 seconds, and that's it. You don't have to do anything at all. Just stay on the page and just wait. You don't even have to click on anything, and you don't even have to sign up. The opportunity is boundless. because as you can see, there are 560 boxes, and you can choose to click on any box you like. You'll just keep on earning money over and over again. And as a rundown, what you're going to do is just click on any box you want and then stay on that page for about 30 seconds. Then you're going to earn money. And now as a bonus tip, sometimes if you click on one of these boxes, a video ad will show up. That's good news because video ads will make you earn double the money. So all you have to do is just stay on that page until the video ends, and then you will earn double the regular earnings. Another bonus tip which I'll be teaching you is that sometimes on these pages there are banner ads that look like this. Now what you're going to do is click on these banner ads because every time you click on these you will earn extra money. So what I mean is keep on clicking ads wherever you find some because that will make you more money. And as simple as that, let me click on this banner ad right here and that will lead me to this page where I have to literally do nothing. As I said earlier, you don't have to actually do anything at all. Now, if you're still watching this video, please leave a comment down below to let me know that you're still watching. Now that you're still here, I will be sharing the final bonus tip that will actually help you earn more money, and that is by referring other people. So all you have to do is just invite your friends or group of friends and your family here on this website. You can then receive extra money by doing so. And as you can see on the left-hand side, there are direct referrals, rented referrals, rent referrals, and buy referrals. However, you just need to focus on direct referrals only. So people have been earning decent money from this website. And they did that just by referring and watching ads, and that wraps it up. That is exactly how you can make money by just watching ads. And now if you want to earn even more money, check out all of the videos on our channel. Sometimes some methods work for one person but not the other person. So make sure to check out all of our videos to find the perfect method to make money online for you. Thank you so much for watching the video. Be sure to drop a like, subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss out on any new content. And as always, I'll see you guys tomorrow for a new video. Take care.